could get mechanical. Now pop that pussy like a fofo. I turn you around and bend you over like a low blow. It's Young Money, baby. We the fucking greatest. We done put them other niggas on a hiatus. Beat your bitch with the pump if she denied data. Cause I'll serve anyone like a blind waiter. I make my girl come first and I arrive later. I shake you pussies up, I'm a vibrator. Get your money like hell yeah. This shit's so good, it don't even smell bad. And you can tell Dad that I'm a motherfucker. You niggas bet not slip. Ice road truckers, light pole barrel, chopper stupid long. New Orleans nigga, I get super dome. Loyal to the game been good to me. Still spitting fire, you niggas wood to me. We on nigga, let them hoes know. Young Money lay 'em down like old folks. You coming with it? We coming for it. Plenty to go around. Now watch the money orbit. Real shit, people, not just absorbing. I tried to pay attention, but y'all mad boring. And I got so much swag, I need an ad for it. And I don't like to brag, so my bitches brag for me. Oh, she a good girl, I got her transforming. She give me hot head, I call it global warming. If we gon' do it, dawg, let's do it now. I am more animal than the zoo allowed. Put me in the wild, I'll be there for a while. You niggas little league, call them Curacao. Energizing money, it keep going. I'm laid up, I'm free throwing. Who rebounded? Who gives a shit? Fuck that, I got 27 years of this. Hit or miss, I hit your misses. You are local news, I'm 60 minutes. I hit the target, I hit the witness. I work out in my office, guess I'm fit for business. Too many visions, completed missions. Still icing out crosses, keep it Christian. We consistent, the streets commend it. Weezy F, baby, the F is for forensics. From start to finish, you same Wayne. Okay, you're doing your thing, well things change. You plain Jane, I'm diverse. I say the world second, and I get high first. I'm a mind freak, check my time sheet. Bitch, I bring the noise where the lions sleep. Yo flow never wet, like grandma pussy. I'm always good, like grandma cookies. Yeah, call me the spleen or the spine fixer. It's going down like the Catalina wine mixer. She going down like the hands on my time ticker. I'm always strapped, Vietnam nigga. We are fine nigga, like Amber Rose. We ball nigga, like Jalen Rose. Better tell them hoes, I got a million flows. Label me the hardest nigga in civilian clothes. Young Money, baby, and the building grows. As we look up, where did the ceilings go?
I sit alone in my four-cornered room staring at candles. Oh, that shit is on? Let me drop some shit like this here. At night I can't sleep, I toss and turn. Candlesticks in the dark, visions of bodies being burned. Four walls just staring at a nigga. I'm paranoid, sleeping with my finger on the trigger. My mother's always stressing I ain't living right, but I ain't going out without a fight. See, every time my eyes close, I start sweating and blood starts coming out my nose. It's somebody watching the act, but I don't know who it is, so I'm watching my back. I can see him when I'm deep in the covers. When I awake, I don't see the motherfucker. He owns a black hat like I own, a black suit and a cane like my own. Some might say take a chill, B, but fuck that shit. There's a nigga trying to kill me. I'm popping in the clip when the wind blows. Every 20 seconds got me peeping out my window. Investigating the joint for traps. Taking my telephone for taps. I'm staring at the woman on the corner. It's fucked up when your mind is playing tricks on you.
I make big money, I drive big cars, everybody know me. It's like I'm a movie star, but late at night, something ain't right. I feel I'm being tailed by the same sucker's headlights. Is it that fool that I ran off the block? Or is it that nigga last week that I shot? Or is it the one I beat for $5,000? Thought he had cane, but it was gold, met a flower. Reached under my seat, grabbed my papa for the suckers. Ain't no use to me lying, I was scared than a motherfucker. Hook the left in the Popeyes and bail down quick. If it's going down, let's get this shit over with. Here they come, just like I figured. I got my hand on the motherfucking trigger. When I saw him, make your ass start giggling. 3 blind, crippling, crazy senior citizens. I live by the swamp. I take my boys everywhere I go because I'm paranoid. I keep looking over my shoulder and peeping around corners. My mind is playing tricks on me.
Day by day it's more impossible to cope. I feel like I'm the one that's doing dope. Can't keep a steady hand because I'm nervous. Every Sunday morning I'm in service, praying for forgiveness and trying to find an exit out the business. I know the Lord is looking at me, but yet and still it's hard for me to feel happy. I often drift when I drive, having fatal thoughts of suicide. Bang and get it over with, and then I'm worry free, but that's bullshit. I got a little boy to look after, and if I die, then my child will be a bastard. I had a woman down with me, but to me it seemed like she was down to get me. She helped me out in this shit, but to me she was just another bitch. Now she's back with her mother. Now I'm realizing that I love her. Now I'm feeling lonely. My mind is playing tricks on me.
This year Halloween fell on a weekend. Me and Ghetto was a trick or